Poor people have some of the most interesting psychosocial ways of explaining poverty, and for many Jamaican poor, that's no different. In fact, Jamaican poor tend to explain poverty or failure as being other people's bad mind against them or their grudgefulness against them. In fact, when a poor Jamaican finally gain something, a car, maybe money, a house, extra status, it almost seems like that Jamaican goes looking for someone to conjure up in their minds as envying them, grudging them, or bad minding them. There's an old Jamaican ska folklore that depicts this all, that describes a farmer named Sammy who planted peas and corn down in a ravine in a gully, and it bears and bears, and finally someone envied him and killed him for his newfound prosperity. I wish to remind everyone, though, that um, a person's failure is not contingent on other people's envy and bad mindedness against them. Not that it won't ever happen, it does happen, but it's contingent generally on not being prepared for the moment, not having an opportunity available to you, or not actually getting up, being prepared, and go look for the opportunity when there's none around you. Um, as we enter into the Christmas season, the holiday season, different holidays for different people, um, be reminded that whether or not we have what others have, we can also enjoy life as well. Sammy plant peas and corn down a gully. And he beer till he killed poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. Who says Sammy dead? A lie them a tell. Who says Sammy dead? He no dead, oh. Who says Sammy dead? A lie them a tell. Who says Sammy dead? He no dead, oh. But a grudgeful, make them kill him. But a grudgeful, make them kill him. If there's any lesson to be learned from this, let it be that we get out of life what we put into it. You do not reap peas if you grow corn. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob.